Welcome back, students. Now, the second topic, another topic uh, we are going to discuss, that is Iltutmish. This one, and he was one of the greatest ruler of the slave dynasty. He belonged to the Albari tribe and to Turkestan and was brought to India as a slave by Kutubuddin Aibak. It was due to his intelligence and nobleness of character that he was married to his master's daughter, okay, and appointed governor in at Gwalior, okay, and after all this, he actually ascended the throne in 1211 CE, when after Kutubuddin Aibak's sudden death. Okay, so he ascended the throne in 1211 CE, and also he just became the ruler, but he was surrounded with very much difficulties on all fronts there. So these are few difficulties also, like since he was a slave, he had no hereditary claims to the throne, and his position was challenged from all side. Nobody just want this thing, a slave boy uh, go for this kind of thorn. Okay, then second one, suddenly the nobles would not accept. The same thing is, no, secondly, that noble would not accept the rule of a slave, kind of servant. Okay, and the other journals of Muhammad Ghori also challenged his authority. And lastly, the Hindus prince were trying to take advantages also of the prevailing confuse confusion after Aibak's death, Kutubuddin Aibak's death. They are all confused about this. So this one, uh, so many difficulties are he was actually facing at that moment, and he introduced, these are the now achievements also here, that he introduced an efficient system for what, for collecting the revenue, the land revenue especially. Okay, so he just divided his empire into numerous kind of big and small pieces of the land called uh, that is equitus. Okay, so these are all the achievement also here, and in the last, he was the first ruler who stuck the coin with the Arabic inscriptions, and he issued several kind of silver and copper coins also, and a silver one called the tanka, and the other one, copper one, coiled coin called the jital. Okay, so these are the few achievements also, and it was iltutmish Iltutmish was who shifted from Lahore to Delhi and made it his capital there. And before him, all the Muslim rulers included Muhammad Ghori, Mahmud Ghazni, and Kutubuddin Aibak also chose Lahore as their headquarters. After him, Delhi remained the capital for all the Muslim rulers right up to the Mughals. Okay.